We all need food. It's a fundamental part of our daily lives, providing the energy and nutrients we need to thrive. From the moment we wake up to the time we go to bed, food plays a crucial role in our routines. It's a basic human need. Sharing meals with loved ones, celebrating special occasions, and even comforting ourselves during tough times all revolve around food. But sometimes getting food can be difficult. Unexpected events can disrupt our access to food, leaving us scrambling to find our next meal. Natural disasters, economic downturns, and job losses can all disrupt our access to food. These events can strike without warning, making it essential to be prepared. This is where long-term food storage comes in. By having a reserve of food, you can ensure that your family won't go hungry during challenging times. Long-term food storage means having a supply of food that can last for months or even years. This isn't just about stockpiling, it's about smart planning and preparation. This food is different from your everyday groceries. It's selected for its long shelf life and nutritional value, ensuring that it remains safe and edible over extended periods. It's carefully chosen and packaged to last as long as possible. Techniques like vacuum sealing and using airtight containers help preserve the food's quality and prevent spoilage. Having a well-stocked pantry can give you peace of mind. Knowing that you have a safety net in place can alleviate stress and anxiety during uncertain times. It means you and your family can weather uncertain times. Whether it's a natural disaster, a financial crisis, or a personal emergency, you'll be better equipped to handle it. Think of it as an insurance policy for your food supply. Just as you protect your home and health, you should also safeguard your access to food. You wouldn't wait until your house was on fire to buy home insurance. Similarly, you shouldn't wait for a crisis to start thinking about food storage. Similarly, it's best to start building your long-term food storage before you need it. Begin by setting aside a small portion of your grocery budget each week for non-perishable items. Start small and gradually build up your supplies. Every little bit helps. Over time, you'll create a robust food reserve that can sustain you through any situation. Not all foods are created equal when it comes to long-term storage. Some foods are more resilient and can withstand the test of time, while others spoil quickly and are best consumed fresh. Understanding which foods to store can make a significant difference in your food security and preparedness. Some foods, like fresh fruits and vegetables, are perishable and won't last long. These items are rich in nutrients and essential for a balanced diet, but they need to be consumed within a short period. Refrigeration can extend their shelf life, but they are not suitable for long-term storage. Others, like white rice and dried beans, can last for years if stored properly. These staples are not only durable but also versatile, providing a solid foundation for many meals. Proper storage conditions, such as keeping them in a cool, dry place, are essential to maximize their shelf life. Choosing the right foods is crucial for successful long-term food storage. It's important to consider not just the longevity of the food, but also its nutritional value and how it fits into your overall diet. A well-organized pantry with clearly labeled containers can help you keep track of your supplies and ensure that nothing goes to waste. Look for foods that are high quality, low in moisture, and low in oil content. These characteristics help prevent spoilage and extend the shelf life of your stored foods. Foods with high moisture content are more prone to mold and bacterial growth, while those with high oil content can go rancid. High-quality foods are less processed and have fewer additives, which can degrade over time. Processed foods often contain preservatives and artificial ingredients that may not hold up well in long-term storage. Opting for whole, natural foods can ensure that your stored items remain nutritious and safe to eat. Moisture is the enemy of long-term food storage, as it encourages mold and bacterial growth. Keeping your storage area dry and clean is essential to prevent contamination. Using airtight containers can also help protect your food from moisture and pests. Choose foods that are naturally dry or have been dehydrated. Dehydrated fruits and vegetables retain much of their nutritional value and can be rehydrated when needed. They are lightweight and take up less space, making them ideal for long-term storage. Oil-rich foods like nuts and seeds can go rancid over time, so choose varieties that are lower in oil or store them in the freezer. Freezing can significantly extend the shelf life of these items, preserving their flavor and nutritional value. Wheat, rice, and corn are excellent staples. These grains are not only long-lasting but also versatile, providing the basis for many different meals. They are rich in carbohydrates, which are essential for energy. Oats are another good choice. They are nutritious, easy to prepare, and can be used in a variety of dishes. Oats are also high in fiber, which is important for digestive health. Dried beans and lentils are packed with protein and can be stored for a long time. They are an excellent source of plant-based protein and can be used in soups, stews, and salads. Properly stored, they can last for several years. Powdered milk is shelf-stable and can be used in baking or reconstituted for drinking. It is a convenient source of calcium and other essential nutrients, making it a valuable addition to your long-term food storage. Honey and sugar are natural preservatives. Honey, in particular, has an indefinite shelf life and can be used as a sweetener or in medicinal applications. Sugar is also a versatile ingredient that can be used in baking and preserving other foods. Salt is essential for flavor and can also be used for preservation. It is a key ingredient in many preservation methods, such as curing and pickling, and is indispensable in any long-term food storage plan. Choosing the right containers is just as important as choosing the right foods. The container acts as a barrier, protecting your food from moisture, air, pests, and light. There are many different types of containers available, each with its own pros and cons. #10 cans are large, sturdy cans often used for bulk food storage. They are made of steel and lined with enamel to prevent rust and corrosion. #10 cans are very durable and can withstand a lot of abuse. They are also relatively inexpensive. However, they can be heavy and difficult to store in large quantities. Plastic buckets are another popular option for long-term food storage. They come in a variety of sizes and are generally less expensive than #10 cans. Look for food-grade buckets with airtight lids. Plastic buckets are lightweight and stackable, making them easy to store. However, they are not as durable as #10 cans and can be susceptible to cracking or puncturing. Mylar pouches and oxygen absorbers, the ultimate barrier. Mylar pouches offer excellent protection against moisture, air, and light. Mylar is a metallized polyester film that is very strong and puncture-resistant. When used with oxygen absorbers, Mylar pouches create an oxygen-free environment that extends the shelf life of food significantly. They are ideal for storing grains, beans, and other dry goods. Peat bottles, a familiar option with limitations. Peat bottles, commonly used for soda and water, can be used for short-term food storage. They are readily available, inexpensive, and transparent, allowing you to see the contents. However, peat bottles are not as airtight as other options and can leach chemicals into food over time. They are best suited for storing dry goods for a few months, not for long-term storage. Glass jars, a classic choice, carefully considered. Glass jars are a classic choice for food storage. They are reusable, non-toxic, and do not absorb flavors or odors. However, glass is breakable and can be heavy. Use caution when storing glass jars, especially in areas prone to earthquakes or other natural disasters. Keeping things fresh treatment methods for long-term storage. In addition to choosing the right containers, there are several treatment methods that can further extend the shelf life of your food. These methods are essential for maintaining the quality and safety of your stored food over long periods. By using these techniques, you can ensure that your food remains fresh and free from spoilage, even after months or years of storage. Oxygen absorbers are small packets that contain iron powder. These packets are designed to remove oxygen from the surrounding environment, which is crucial for preserving the freshness of your food. Oxygen is one of the main factors that contribute to the spoilage of food, as it promotes the growth of bacteria, mold, and insects. When sealed inside a container with food, they absorb oxygen, creating an oxygen-free environment that inhibits the growth of bacteria, mold, and insects. This is particularly important for dry goods such as grains, beans, and powdered foods, which are prone to spoilage when exposed to oxygen. Oxygen absorbers are essential for long-term storage of dry goods in Mylar pouches or other airtight containers. By using oxygen absorbers, you can significantly extend the shelf life of your food, ensuring that it remains safe and nutritious for consumption. Dry ice can be used to quickly cool down food before sealing it in containers. This method is particularly useful for preserving the quality of perishable items such as meats, fruits, and vegetables. By rapidly cooling the food, you can slow down the degradation process and maintain the food's freshness for a longer period. This helps to slow down the degradation process. The sublimation of dry ice, which is the process of it turning from a solid to a gas, creates a cold environment that helps to preserve the food. This method is especially effective for short-term storage or when you need to transport perishable items. Simply place a block of dry ice on top of the food in the container and allow it to sublimate completely before sealing the container tightly. This ensures that the food is cooled quickly and remains at a low temperature, which helps to preserve its quality and extend its shelf life. Diatomaceous earth is a natural powder made from the fossilized remains of diatoms, tiny aquatic creatures. This powder is highly effective as an insecticide, making it an excellent choice for protecting your stored food from infestations. It is a safe and effective insecticide that can be used to prevent infestations in stored food. By using diatomaceous earth, you can protect your food from pests such as weevils, ants, and other insects that can cause significant damage to your stored food. Sprinkle a thin layer of diatomaceous earth on top of your stored food, or place a small cloth bag filled with diatomaceous earth inside the container. This creates a barrier that prevents insects from reaching your food, ensuring that it remains safe and free from contamination. By incorporating these treatment methods into your food storage routine, you can significantly extend the shelf life of your food and maintain its quality for long-term use.